New to my channel, click subscribe, click bell to notify you for new uploads. Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use notepad. We have two steps. The first one is very easy. The second one is we're going to do it step by step. First, I'm just gonna move around my cursor. Then we are going back to the start button on the left bottom right, and then press the start button just by doing right click. It's left click. And then you see this white box with a blinking cursor. You just need to type notepad and then press enter on your keyboard. This is the notepad. As you can see, it's very easy. Now I'm just gonna close this. I'm just gonna go close this on the right top, the red button. And next we're just gonna do the step 2. I'm gonna go back to the start button, then left click, then go to all programs, then all programs, then go to accessories, and go ahead and click notepad, left click. As you can see, we can see the folder, a notepad, just doing the step 2.